You guys wanna see a chunk? I show you chunk. Yeah, good start. Trash can, I think. And door opens by itself. A lot of motor oils and stuff. Ooh, moped. A lot of lanterns. Somebody could make a good one from that. And the helmet. I need a better helmet. Is this for gas? Yes, gas. Damn, you guys told me that word. Wheelbarrow. What's the wheelbarrow? Maybe? There's a shed working bench. What's there behind it? Oh, there's a toolbox here. A lot of thick rope. There's that golden thing there. Pretty airy barn. You can see outside from here. Cool design. This you can get berries. I think it's illegal because it get the berries from the root and it doesn't just grow after that. Hey, where's this locked? Huh? That bothers me. Gas canister. And more berry scraping thingies. It's fun. And a lot of oils. Yeah. As you have said, a lot of junk. But there's a moped. Somebody could make something from that. Maybe. And there's a bathroom. I know you guys have some kind of fetish to see always bathrooms. So I give you what you want. I show you a bathroom. I don't know what's wrong with you guys, but you will see a bathroom. Surprisingly good shape, I think. In emergency, of course, I would use this. Not bad. On tullut käytettyä useamman kerran reissuilla, kun tulee hyötyjen talojen vessoja.
Kyllähän nyt on käytössä kunnossa.
Joo. Is this sauna? Ah, pitchfork, I think. Some wood. Ooh, some magazine. Let's see the year. Somebody ate the year. Oh, does it show? Oh, 2009. 12 years ago. Maybe somebody just came and checked it out. Oh, it's sauna. And sauna stove is gone. What is this? Dressing room? Yeah, of course. Of course. Okay, what is this? Knife, alright. What is this? I do not know. And that's SpongeBob also. Okay. Let's still check out the stone thingy that's still hanging on in there. So that is the only thing that is left from that. Was that supposed to be a house? Oh well, should we try if it works? Usually they work. Not this time. Hey! If I ever get thirsty, just come to the farm. Ow! It's an evil trap, like it's right to the shin bone. Nice. Lot of rusty buckets. Okay, let's continue. Some reason our camera got too hot. Maybe it's just hot weather and long recording. Lot of barrels, buckets. Do you know where the saying "kick the bucket" comes from? Because you were hanging and you were standing on the bucket, somebody would kick the bucket and you would hang out. Ooh. Inviting looking bath. 500 euros if you take a bath.
No.
Nope.
No.
Yeah. Probably some dead thing in there. Okay, I think this is about this farm. We check out those places in a different video. But with Juha, we say goodbye in this video.
Bye.
Okay, goodbye. Please thumb up. So somebody, can you? Are you in the camera?
Nej,
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.